that too fat?
That could work. It's perfect.
Awesome.
Yeah, that would be really. What is this? This is really light. Balsa?
Mahogany.
Mahogany. Wow. What kind?
It's so soft, it drills real easy. I'm not sure.
I like the cedar too. So we got mahogany and cedar. We're creating
You
a
gotta take a measurement.
focus shifter for the new CCTV lens. Right now we're using the calipers.
Fancy. Too fat.
Where'd it go? Where'd the long cedar go? Use that and then just sand it a little. That's it.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Awesome. So again, this is the CCTV security camera lens with the swirly bokeh. You may not be able to see the swirly bokeh in this picture particularly, but I wanted to point out that I made a wooden focus pull shifter, which I find to be really helpful because, especially with this adapter, which is indented, it was very hard to get my fingers around that focus pull, and it was just impossible to use without getting my fingers in the picture. And so I just wanted to point that out, that this is going to be a really difficult lens to use without some kind of focus shifter.